Hello friends, I am Dr. V.K. Sharma, Pharma Business Consultant and Leadership Coach. Today we will be discussing about job responsibilities of general managers in the pharma sales management. When I mean general manager, here I mean third line manager who may be looking after one zone, that is 1/4 of the country. He may be looking after half of the country, or he may be looking after maybe 1/6 of the country. That depends on company to company. But essentially, he has to be third line manager. In some company, they give the general manager designation to the second line manager also. So these responsibilities are not exactly that. So here I am very clear cut. It is basically third line manager, whether looking after one zone, whether looking after one half country, or maybe even 1/6 of the country, from company to company. And this person should be reporting to head office. Some companies, this position also called a sales manager. Some company, this position called a divisional sales manager, or some company even DGM sales also. So essentially, this is the senior most hierarchy in the field sales management. I am referring to that. In case very few companies are there who keep fourth line also in the field, which means they have got medical rep, area manager, regional manager, general manager, sales manager, all in the field. In that case, this responsibility has to be reworked. So right now, we'll go with the standard hierarchy that is for general manager, where he is a third line manager and is the senior most person in the field. So a general manager has got 8 major job responsibilities, and we'll talk about one by one all 8 today.